Welcome to Smart Kiddo Learning channel for kids.
B for antelope, antelope running so fast. B for bison, big and vast. C for cheetah, cheetah, speedy and bright. D for donkey, the donkey trots with delight. E for emu, emu, tall and strong. F for flamingo, flamingo, dancing along. G for gecko, gecko, climbing up high. H for hippo, hippo, splashing by. I for Indian star, tortoise, I Indian star, slow and wise. J for jackal, jackal, glowing bright eyes. K for kingfisher, kingfisher, diving so deep. L for lemur, lemur, jump and leap. M for macaw, color so bright. N for numbat, tiny but might. O for ocelot, ocelot, spots shining bold. P for porcupine, porcupine, spikes unfold. Q for quokka, quokka, smiling so wide. R for rhino, rhino, charging with pride. S for scorpion, scorpion, claws so neat. T for tapir, tapir, trunk so sweet. Yeah. U for uakari, red, face bright. V for viper, viper, strikes with might. W for wombat, digging so deep. X for xenos, xenos, fly with a sweep. Y for yellow tang, yellow tang, swims so free. Z for zonkey, zonkey, stripes like a Z.